Hi, my name is Terry Harrington, and I'm at the St. Clair County Emergency Operations Center. As this extended power outage lingers on, we just want to caution you about being safe when using secondary heating devices to keep your home warm. We're already getting a number of calls of fires that have been started or people succumbing to carbon monoxide poisoning. We don't want that to happen to you. So if you're using a generator, make sure you keep it outside your home or outside your garage in a well-ventilated area. Also, if you're using some secondary heating devices in your home, make sure there's adequate ventilation. Make sure you're keeping combustibles away so that that won't be a fire hazard in your home. We know this whole power outage has been an inconvenience for a lot of us, but we want to make sure that you're safe. That's why we wait for the crews to get our power back on. If you do have any concerns or have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at the Emergency Operations Center. Our phone number is area code 810-989-6392. That's 810-989-6392.
To learn more about this topic, visit our website at www.bereadystclaircounty.org.